Are you looking for the best lawn services expert in your area? If so, you are in good hands. I will show you why in the next video.
Tired of spending your whole weekends mowing your lawn? Tired of breaking your back in the hot sun mowing trimming your shrubs? Do you love gardening but hardly have the time? We can help relieve this weekly burden and simplify your life. We work to maintain your lawn. We are your neighborhood lawn service. Our array of services will certainly answer your needs. Mowing lawns, trimming shrubs, replanting flower beds, spreading fresh mulch, etc. Our services are very reasonable and affordable. When you hire us for a lawn care services job, your satisfaction is guaranteed. Let us demonstrate the quality of our services. Once you hire us, we will become your go-to lawn care provider.
As you saw in this video, we can perfectly care for your lawn. So give us a call now. We look forward to talking with you.